Today, well, a couple years ago I made a fruit cocktail soap I made a ton of fruit embeds and just embedded it all in, and it was cool. I kind of randomly was like, maybe I should do a veggie cocktail. I don't think veggie cocktails exist, but that's okay. So I made all these different veggies, and off to the side here, you can't see them. There's like 13 or 14 lengths. I am using, it's pineapple jalapeno margarita from Little Bee Scents. It smells, at least out of the bottle, I hope it stays like that once it goes in the soap. It just reminds me of veggies. Like, that's what it reminds me of. So I was like, we're going to use this scent. But it reminds me of the garden, and yes, there is pineapple notes. And actually, I smell it more now that the pineapple more that it's in the soap. That's okay. I don't mind. But so I have tomatoes and peppers. More tomatoes, and then we have carrots, orange and yellow peppers. So I have red, orange, yellow, and green peppers. But yeah, so I'm just gonna just doing a white base and embedding all these veggies into it. And then I got this bright idea that I want to embed all those little pieces I cut up on top. Yeah. Yes, it's going to be labor intensive. Am I going to do it? Yeah, probably. I mean, I cut them all up, so. Okay, so there's my green pepper and broccoli. And these pieces are all floating up on me. But so I also have, so I had the peppers, tomatoes, corn, carrots, broccoli, and I have radishes and eggplants. Those are the veggies I did. I might make more, like some more the different veggies I haven't made yet in the future. But these are the new shapes I currently have, and that's what will get listed on the webpage shortly. Like, by the time you see this video, they will be listed. I will link them in this video and in the description section too. So if you're interested in procuring some veggie discs, that's the radish. It's probably the hardest of all of them to put together. This is the eggplant. Now I'm going to make this bigger. It was smaller. So these are the small ones. I am also going to make these in the larger 57 millimeter disc. So if you wanted a large, not just a small fruit, you could get a large one too. So anyways, those are all in there. Some of them are definitely hitting each other. That's okay. It's a veggie cocktail. They can just go in any which way. Veggie soap, veggie cocktail. That's what I'm calling it. We'll cut that, see what the inside is. So I actually made 2 soaps yesterday. This one and my bell pepper. Now, I just made a 10-pound batch and then I split it in into 2 5-pounds. So the batter was sitting around while I was making this one. And I slightly overstick blended it, like just enough that it was a little thicker than normal when I went to go work with it. And then I added the fragrance. And oh boy, did that start accelerating things. So there was no video because I was literally just trying to plop it and get it in the mold. And I had also split the batch to do colors. So I just wanted to show you. Weird swirls where they are. The peppers did not go where I was planning, but that it was a get them in. The fact that I got them in and that not a single bar has an air gap, I'm calling this a win. And it smells like bell peppers. And the peppers on top. So yeah, I was supposed to do a video on that, but it didn't happen. So now I'm very excited to cut this and see what the inside looks like. I know things were shifting as I was pouring, so I'm very curious to see where the vegetables ended up and what it looks like. So let's shift this so you can see. There's the fun top and the inside. Oh my gosh. The eggplants I'm definitely making bigger. So it's fun. That's the one side. Let's look at the other end. So just the yellow pepper there, but this one got the orange and the red. 1 tomato. I love the broccoli. It cracks me up. I don't like broccoli. It is probably the one vegetable that I don't like its smell, I don't like its taste, I don't like the texture of it. There's absolutely nothing about broccoli that I like. But I think the embed is cute. This radish went completely sideways. It's fun. It was a crazy amount of work making all those embeds. Like there's a green pepper. I don't know. It cracks me up. And I like it. So I'll take it. Let me know what you think. And the top, totally worth doing all that. I know it took a lot of time to place all of those, but I love the top. It just carries over. It's like the whole bar just goes all the way around. Yeah. There you have it. Veggie cocktail.